Thank you very much. Now I will discuss addition of 4-digit numbers for class 3. But before actually start of the addition, I will do some warm up. Warm up means the content which I have taught in the class 1 and class 2 should be remember before proceeding the addition of the digits. So the title of my today's lecture will be addition of 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers. This is the topic of my today's lecture. But before going for a 4-digit number, I will discuss warm up. So the teacher, students and parents should know at least this thing before going for the class 3 addition. Warm up. First warm up is remember. Remember the following. Followings. What is the following? First A. First A. Addition by forward counting can be done by block method. Block means square method. Again by vertical line method. Again by number line. These 3 methods I have already discussed for class 1 lecture and class 2 lecture. The second most important is the addition is done without regrouping, and regrouping method. All these things I will explain you by example. Second example. Add the following numbers horizontally. Be careful. all this terminology can be used in a given question, and the answer should be according to the method I am going to mention. Is because of that I say it is warm up. What is this question? 542 plus 315 means O T H O T H. Generally, the student should be given instruction to use ones first, 10 second, and H third. This is the order of the number. Now, and again write O T H. So we can write the results here. Why it is important? Because I going to solve this question stepwise. What is the first step? Just see. Step 1. Add ones of first addend and the ones of the second addend. So here below ones 2 and below ones 5. So step 1 is add 2, I write O, plus 5O. This is a single digit addition, so I am not going to mention any method. 3 plus 5, a student clearly inform it is 8. So it becomes 8O. Then what is the second step? Step 2. Write 8O at appropriate place. What is this? There, 8. Step 3. Again add 2, 4 and 1. Add 4 T and 1 T. What is this? This is 4 T plus 1 T is equal to 5 T. अब क्या इसमें भी राइट 5 T at appropriate place. Appropriate place means below T. 5. Step 4. Add 5 and 3. Add 5H plus 3H is equal to 8H. And then again, and write H8 at appropriate place. Now here you have seen that the addition at ones, addition at tens, addition at H are independent. So this method is known as without regrouping. So here you can write as this method is a addition without regrouping. Because all addition are independent. So that is very, very important to understand the steps. Sum at once, sum at tens, sum at h. If all sums are independent, it is without regrouping. Now, I will give third. Third point to mention, which is vertical addition. अब देखिए थर्ड पॉइंट, वर्टिकल एडिशन. वर्टिकल एडिशन क्या करना है? एड द फॉलोइंग numbers. और ध्यान रखिएगा, be clear that there are three digit number H, T, O. अब देखिए 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 8 and 3, 3, 5. As I mentioned, this is the addend one. 1. Short में I can write it add 1. Then addend 2. In short, add 2. Then addend 3. This add 3. And last it is sum. Be careful, don't miss line. So this place is the O of sum, this place is T of sum, this place is H of sum. How will I do it? So now I have said square method or block method. So in this example, I will do block method. Then I can also try to make a vertical line method. Two methods I will use it, and then I will tell you which one is the best one. See, at O. Add digits at O is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 5. Don't forget to mention O here. That's very, very important. Now, before going square method, you decide yourself which digit is the maximum. Here 8 is the maximum, write 8 here and put direction forward direction. I will tell you what is the advantage of the square over the vertical line. Now just say 8, make 8 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then put comma. Next is 5. Make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But also write the number here below the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the digit is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now addition is 8. No, 8. There should be 6. You can say this digit. I have forgotten to mention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you delete this one. No problem. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देखिए स्क्वायर में how you detect your mistake. That's important. And now the 8 is class, 6 class, 5 class. यहाँ पर कर दीजिए 8 class हो गया. यहाँ देखिए 8 को क्रॉस कर, यहाँ पर 8 बना दीजिए और क्रॉस कर दीजिए. 6 हो गया, 6 को क्रॉस कर दीजिए. 5 हो गया, 5 को क्रॉस कर दीजिए. That means all 3 digits has been written here. Now count forward. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There cannot be mistake by doing this square method. And again here, this is O and this is T. What is the another step? You can say this is step 1, this is step 2. What is step 2? Write 9, या ध्यान सुनेगा, at ones of sum, और लिखते चलिए 9 and carry over 1t above t of addend. यहां पर 1 लिख दीजिए. सो ये सम हो गया एट ओ बाय स्क्वायर मेथड. अब मैं स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल लाइन मेथड बताने जा रहा हूं एट टी. एड digits. Here there is a 4 digit. One is carry over, first, second, third, fourth. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. ये सभी T है. How much it is? It is very simple, but I am making the vertical method. By vertical line method. अब देखिए लार्जेस्ट डिजिट यहां लिख दीजिए 3, देन 1 वर्टिकल लाइन, देन कामा अगेन 1 वर्टिकल लाइन, कामा अगेन 2 वर्टिकल लाइन. अब देखिए 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. यहाँ 1, 1, यहाँ पर 1 and 2. This is equal to 7. अब क्या करना है? राइट 7 बिलो टी ऑफ एडेंड. स्टेप, ये स्टेप 1 हो गया. स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2. राइट यहां पर इसको टी कर दीजिए. T7 बिलो टी ऑफ सम. यहां पर 7 कर दीजिए. अब एट एच, अब देखिए एट एच, now at H you can do any one of the method by square or at H. अब 8H क्या है? 8 2 plus 4 plus 3. This is always single digit. Class 1 student can do it. But no, I am just using the square method. Largest number is 4. Forward 4 काउंट कर दीजिए. ये H सब है. H, H, H. Don't forget to write this one. Then 2 block. 1, 2 block. ये कामा यहाँ नहीं रहना चाहिए. कामा शुड बी एट आफ्टर 2. 4 हो गया. 2 कट कर दीजिए. 3 ब्लॉक. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Count forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is equal to 9H. अब स्टेप क्या हो गया? स्टेप ये स्टेप 1 हो गया. स्टेप 2 राइट 9 at H of sum. That is called the vertical addition. But one thing is very, very important. You just note it or remember it. Remember. The position of addend, is changed without changing the result. Without changing the results. Meaning is अगर इसकी पोजीशन को चेंज कर दिया जाए ऊपर नीचे, addend 1 can take the place of addend 3 and versa. This result is not going to be changed. But in a subtraction, it is not true. I will discuss later on. Now, come to the another method of addition. That is very, very important. I'll just take the example of vertical addition, but method is different. You can say second method. Second method. What is the second method? Now your addition was O, T, H. Be careful. 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 8 and 3, 3, 5. ये ऐड करना है. Now this you can write as this. 2H expanded form and the expanded form. 2H plus 1T plus 6. Once here I am writing, because if you write O, it confuses with 60. Then here 4H plus 2T plus 8 ones. Then 3h plus 3h, 3t plus 5 ones. और इसको लाइन से कर दीजिए. Very simple. It will not make any confusion. It will be understandable by the teacher and the students and the parents. That expansion form is 2000 plus 16 this way, or 2h 200, 110 means 10 ones, 16. Now, how will you do this one? You can use any one of the method for addition, whether square method or vertical line method, or that is only two method which is used in this case. Now just see, at O, here also write at O. I am not going to repeat the vertical method, I will just add 6 plus 8 plus 5. This is equal to 19. Okay, this becomes O and this becomes T. Write 9 ones plus carry over 1 here 1t, because 19t is equal to 1t plus 9 ones. I have already explained this expanded form. Now add this one again. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7t, plus 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9h. Just write 9 7 9. This is add 1, add 2, add 3, and this is sum. See, this method is called regrouping method because 110 of ones is added here. So this method is regrouping method. This method is regrouping method. Because the addition of tens depends on the addition of ones. अब देखिए, now number lines. How will you use the number? How will you do the addition by number lines? I will just tell you. Example, number line method. Add the following. Obviously by number line. T O 38 plus 49. Add 1, add in 2, and sum. Step 1. Here, this is two-digit number, but all the number is found by using the number from 1 to 9. So the maximum number of one digit's maximum number is 18. 9 plus 9, 18. So what we can do? We can have the number line up to 20, because tens of 18 is 20. Upper limit of tens of 18 is 20. Round off number, I have already explained this one, so I am not explaining here. So the maximum number line is 20 and minimum is 0. So here I am writing since addition of two maximum number digit is equal to 18, and hence number line should be up to 20. That is very, very important. ये ध्यान रख लीजिएगा जो है. और obviously minimum number is 0. So the step 2 is the number line should start from 0. Hence, draw number line from 0 to 20. I'll request all this audience to follow the same things which I am drawing here. So it becomes very easy. Just say, draw a line up to your length of copy. Here put 0, here put 20. Be careful. Approximately middle line can be this. Put 10. Middle of this can be 5. Middle of this can be 15. This might have been taught in the class 1 and class 2 by myself itself. Just say, divide this into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If they are using a scale, I think it will be equal distance. But if they are not using a scale, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the same thing which I am here following. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it is a counting from 0 to 20 because it is called number. And this number has been placed on the line because of it is a number line. So how will you add it? Just say. Step 3. Eight and 9. Choose anyone. First to choose 8. I am just ticking 8. 8 is here. Draw a vertical line upward. At 8, draw a vertical line at 8 with arrow. Because above the line is positive, below the line is negative. Arrow means upward direction, downward direction. Draw a vertical line at A with arrow and further draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle between 0 and 8. अब देखिए 0 को ऐसे वर्टिकल बना दीजिए और सेमी सर्किल के ऐसे ड्रा कर दीजिए, और यहाँ पर क्या है 8 और एरो ये है। अब स्टेप 4 क्या होगा, काउंट 9 in forward direction. काउंट करिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। यहां भी वर्टिकल ऐसे कर लीजिए एंड ऑल्सो ड्रा ए वर्टिकल लाइन एट 17। ठीक है, अब क्या है, अब यहां पर ऑल्सो फर्दर ड्रा ए सेमी सर्किल between 8 and 17. 8 and 17 with forward arrow. तो अब यहां पर इसे क्या करेंगे, इसको ऐसे कर देंगे और फॉरवर्ड एरो ये हो गया। और लास्ट स्टेप होगा, जो लास्ट स्टेप मैं इसी में बना रहा हूं, जो जगह नीचे नहीं है, लास्ट स्टेप आपका ये होगा। इसको आप मैं मिटा दे रहा हूं। स्टेप 5, finally draw semicircle between 0 and 17 with forward arrow. अब इसको यहां से मिला करके आप यहां पर ऐसे कर दीजिए 8 + 9 = 17 O and T। ठीक है, अब ये रिजल्ट आपका हो गया। केवल स्टेटमेंट लिखना है, तो स्टेटमेंट 6 क्या हो जाएगा, इसको थोड़ा और एक बार मैं मिटा देता हूं। स्टेटमेंट 6 क्या हो जाएगा, स्टेटमेंट 6 स्टेप 6 ये यहां पर O हो गया, यहां पर T हो गया। राइट 7O at O of sum। यहां 7 लिख दीजिए एंड कैरी ओवर 1T above T of add 1। तो यहां पर 1 लिख दीजिए। तो ये आपका जो है सम एट वंस हो जाएगा। अब देखिए सम एट टी क्या होगा, अब देखिए, अब ये आपका जो है एट टी। अब इसमें नंबर लाइन में बताने की बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन बट आई विल फाइनली ड्रा एट वन एड 1 + 3 + 4 as follows. Just repeat the same thing. Draw the number line between 0 and 20. Number line 0 to 20. Then 10, then 5, then 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ask the student to repeatedly write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. So they have the practice. अब देखिए 1 ऐड करना है तो 0 1 के बीच में सर्किल बना दीजिए। फिर 3 है, काउंट 3, 1 2 3, यहाँ पर ऊपर खींच करके इसको ऐसे बना दीजिए। देन 4 1 2 3 4 यहाँ पर कर दीजिए, फिर इसको बना दीजिए और एरो दीजिए, एरो दीजिए, एरो दीजिए। फाइनली ड्रा लाइक दिस 1 + 2 + 4, 1 + 3 + 4 = 8। सो एरो हो गया, रिजल्ट 8 यहाँ कर दीजिए। अब दिस एडिशन is also regrouping because tens is depending on ones. So this method, this sum is also done by regrouping. Thank you very much.